Жаяу Мұса атындағы Ақсу жоғары көпсалалы колледжі, Ақсуский высший многопрофильный колледж имени Жаяу Мусы, Ақсу Higher Multidisciplinary College named after Жаяу Мұса. Оқытушы Омирбек С.С. Пән шет тілі. Тақырыбы Discussing the difference between organic and non-organic food. Listen objectives. Listen, read and talk about organic and non-organic words. Understand specific information and unsupported extended talk. Assessment criteria. Identify specific information in unsupported extended talk. Explain and justify point of view. The first is introduction. The second is what does the term organic foods mean. The third is the benefits of organic foods. The fourth is organic and non-organic produce. The foods we choose to eat can help in the prevention of many illnesses, thus increasing our quality of life. The main of reasons some choose to consume organically grown foods is the thought that the first is they are consuming little or no pesticide residue left on produce. What does the term organic foods mean? Organic foods are defined as those foods that are grown without the use of synthetic fertilizers, sewage sludge, irradiation, genetic engineering, pesticides, or drugs. What does organic foods mean? Organic food is a product of a farming system that uses natural and regenerative processes, crop rotation, animal and plant manuring, mechanical weeding, biological pest control. It refrains from the use of any toxic chemicals. The benefits of organic foods. Positive effect to biodiversity, fewer contaminants such as pesticides, antibiotics, and nitrates. Organic foods have more beneficial nutrients such as antioxidants than the conventionally grown counterparts. Organic food is often fresher. Organic farming is better for the environment. You can see the four different types of organic. 100% organic, all ingredients in the food must be organic. Organic foods must contain 95% organic products. Made with the organic ingredients must contain 70% organic products, less than 70% organic ingredients. You can see organic and non-organic produce. Organic produce, grown with natural fertilizers, manure, compost. Conventionally grown produce, grown with synthetic or chemical fertilizers. Organic produce, weeds are controlled naturally. Conventionally grown produce, weeds are controlled with chemical herbicides. Organic and non-organic meat and dairy. Organic meat and dairy, no antibiotics, hormones, or pesticides are given to animals. Conventional raised, typically given antibiotics, hormones, and feed grown with the pesticides. Finding the quality differences between organic and non-organic produce and meats is difficult because of the differing values people assign to quality when it comes to food. You can say organic food, quality differences. Although a lot of people believe that organic products are nutritionally superior to non-organic products, some very recent studies have shown that the nutritional differences between organic products and non-organic products are generally minuscule. Although research on the topic is ongoing, you can see the food safety tips. Whether you go totally organic or opt to mix conventional and organic foods, be sure to keep this tip in mind. The first, select a variety of foods from a variety of sources. This will give you a better mix of nutrients and reduce your likelihood of exposure to a single pesticide. Read food labels carefully. Just because a product says it's organic or contains organic ingredients doesn't necessarily mean it's a healthy alternative. Some organic products may still be high in sugar, salt, fat, or calories. Wash and scrub fresh fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running water. You can see the task. Your task is write the difference and what units them. You can see Venn diagram and you should write in difference and units. And you can see the references we can use. You can see the YouTube channel, you can see the video, and you can see the lesson plan. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.